Yo guys, I'm back in a new video today. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install the IHC kit. Just get right into it. Starting off, you're going to have this free hole, and find one of these. Basically, there'll be a thing to slide into it. It's like kind of orangey color. You can see it. You can see it by your eyes, but you can't see it with my camera. Really? Not really. But basically that runs smoothly. And so first of all, there will be two of these. The first one you're going to put into the bottom. Make sure that's in. That's what it looks like. It's in there. Seems like a hammer. Basically, it's really there we go, now it's in. And once you got that in, at the top you're going to put in the other one. Once you've done that, there'll be then you're going to get your four like this. Slide it through the bottom and the top. Slide it through the bottom and the top. Is this on backwards? I think it's on backwards. That's a mistake you never want to make. Make sure it's in the right way. The wrong way again. Now it's in. Okay, hammer that in, or whatever. And once you've done that, you get your other one. It's like a spacer with a small line through. Get that, put it through. You get your cord, put that through. Next, you want to get your headset, put that on. Get your IHC cap, put that on. Your other cap, put that on. Get your bolt, and put that on. What I like to do is I like to put on a tiny bit of grease on it to make it run smoother, also on your headset. So that's really all you do, then you just put this in. Once you've done that, that's it. Oh, tiny bit more. Once you've done that, make sure it still runs free, but make sure it's still not still wobbling a tiny bit. There we go. Also, if you're ever having trouble with that, call your dad, your mom, whoever you want to help you make that tight. Well, not as tight, but tight enough. And basically that's all you have to do to install your IHC kit. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe and comment if this helped you. And I'll see you on the next video. See you.